Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I want to show you guys how to draw a Valentine's cactus. Now, to begin with our cactus, we're going to start at the top, and because this is going to be a Valentine's one, we're going to put a heart at the top. So right here to make my heart, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up, and as it comes down, I'm going to go in at an angle. And then right here, I'm going to do the same thing, go up, and as I come down, I'm going to go in at an angle. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down, and it's just going to go in like this. And then right over here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down, and as I get farther down, it's just going to go in. Then I'm going to connect it with a little curved line right across here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up, and then I'm just going to curve down, and as I come back towards the cactus, I'm going to make it really skinny. I'm going to do that same thing down here. I'm going to start a little bit lower, and I'm going to draw a line that just kind of goes up. It's going to curve around, and as I come down, I'm going to get it a little bit skinnier as I connect it in there. Now, down here, I want to put it in a little Valentine's pot. So starting right here, I'm going to draw a little line that curves out, and then I'm going to go right underneath the cactus, and then kind of curve back in, kind of like a little oval. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that curves out, and then it's going to come down. Same thing over here, just stay above the line and then go down. I'm going to connect it with a little curved line. And then I'm going to draw one line down here, and then another line down here. And then just connect it with a curved line. Then I'm going to just add some small little hearts at the bottom here, just to make it kind of like a Valentine's Day pot. And then in between each heart, I'm just going to draw a little line that goes down. Now, starting up here, just to give our cactus a little bit more detail, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve down to here, and then one that goes straight down, and then another one that curves down to here. Then on the ends here, I'm going to draw one right in the middle that curves in, and then one right in the middle that curves into here. And then right around the end, I'm just going to add some little spikes all the way around for some little needles of the cactus. And you're just going to kind of put these all over the place. You can put them inside as well. Just make them kind of all over the place. Don't put them too close together. And you can put some on the edge, some kind of half in, half out, just kind of all over the place. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Valentine's cactus. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.